All right, we are going to be utilizing the Alpaca Markets API in Python to execute a CLS buy market order. We're going to go ahead and do this for 3M. So that is ticker MMM. Currently trading at 136.72. The market is open. First thing we want to do is head over to the API documentation here. Go to the API reference so we can begin to build out our order. Alpaca makes it nice and easy for us to build the request to run this. So like I said, we're going to be doing 3M. We'll go ahead and do 10 shares. This is a buy. We're leaving this as a market order. But then the time and force, this is where we are, like I said, the CLS, which if you read what it is to execute at the close. So market on close and limit on close orders. This order is eligible to execute only in market closing auctions. So at the end of the day, if you wanted to buy for this specifically, now if you wanted to do a sell, then obviously you would change the side to sell. But for this video, we're doing a buy order. So that's the CLS on close, only available in the API v2. We're doing a market order, so we don't have to enter in a limit price or a stop price. The only other thing is we need to get our keys. So if you don't have them stored somewhere, you can regenerate them. You have to regenerate in order to be able to see the secret key again. So let's grab the key. Let's grab the secret key. And we'll paste those in there. It's going to auto-populate in this request. We'll copy this request here. We will come over to a Jupyter notebook, paste that in. I always like to import JSON just because this print comes out in paragraph form. I like the JSON .loads. It makes it easier to actually review the response message. So you can see here it's buy market, the time and force. Oh, looks like we needed to change the time and force. So that would be CLS. We could recopy this. I'm just going to actually do this myself here. CLS. Symbol is MMM. Share quantity is 10. So let's shift enter. And it's going to create this order. It's a buy to open. Time and force is the CLS. 10 shares of 3M. So if we come back to our dashboard, we should see that that order is open. Yep, this order is currently open, and it should execute that market order to buy 10 shares of 3M at the market close.